Hi, hello, welcome back to Sneak Random Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to basically fix your keyboard. If you have keys that are just swapping out of nowhere when you log in or when you restart the computer, I'm going to go ahead and fix these problems today. This is what we're going to be working with, and this is my custom 65% keyboard. Maybe I'll do a video on that another day. About like builds and stuff. I might actually do a build on this channel. Also, I want to say that I'm actually very surprised about my views last video. They're still going up, and it's actually crazy because I didn't think my video was gonna get like so many views and stuff. I actually didn't expect any views at all, and it's just really amazing to me how you guys just view my videos, and I don't know, it makes my day, you know. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. So basically we're gonna go here into settings. If your search bar is not popping up, if you're having issues, go ahead and right click and hit settings. Make sure that all your Windows drivers are updated. Obviously I'm not doing Windows 11, save that for another video, but make sure that all these are updated, because it's good to have those updated. But we're gonna go ahead and do device manager. I'm gonna go here, and this shows all the devices on your computer. So we're gonna go ahead and go to keyboards. All these are for one keyboard. I know it sounds crazy, but go ahead and right click, make sure that all these are updated, which, you know, if you have like Windows updated, then these should be updated unless there's an error, and you know, then you should update all of them. Just check all of them, make sure that they're updated. If you have a specific like update on a USB that you've downloaded from your computer, and you know you want to apply the update, you know, to another computer, then you can go ahead and plug that USB in and look for that correct driver. Maybe you're having problems with key issues, but overall that's not usually the what happens generally. So just make sure that all these are updated, kind of go through them. I know there's a bunch, but what I want you to do is I want you to hit properties, and I want you to see how it says it's working properly. Obviously it's not working properly because your keys are messed up, but go to driver, and I want you to uninstall each HID keyboard device. I want you to uninstall all of them. I want you to restart your computer, and don't worry, it'll reinstall. This is just resetting the keyboard and the actual driver functions for when you plug in a keyboard. So basically I want you to uninstall all these. I want you to restart. You just hit uninstall. They will automatically be resetted and they'll go back. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I plan on making more videos in the future. This was kind of like a short video. I'll probably have 2 today. I really appreciate you guys watching, and you know, it means a lot to me. I'm actually surprised we got up to 10 subscribers. That's actually really cool. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.